Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you, of course. Today, let me introduce you this jumper 16-inch laptop, 12 N150 processor with 1200p IPS display, 16 GB of DDR4 random access memory, 1 TB of SSD plus 128 GB RAM. And of course, it comes with Windows 11 computer. It comes to a turbo boost of 3.6 GHz. Type-C for business and students. We have here a high-performance processor with a turbo frequency of 3.6 GHz Intel N150 processor, 4 cores and 4 threads. This laptop handles multiple tasks efficiently. Whether we are working, studying, or streaming, we enjoy a smooth experience with a reliable performance. And the laptop features a 16 inches full HD screen where the resolution is 1920 to 1200 with a 94-degree percent of screen to body ratio or 93% of unfeed other product specs. Thin bezels and detailed visuals delivers an immersive wide viewing experience perfect for work and games. And we have a 30% memory of in space. 16 GB of DDR4 RAM ensures a quick response to commands, while a 1 TB M.2 SATA SSD and 128 GB of eMMC with 1152 GB in total has a complex applications and a multimedia effortlessly. And of course, this boosts our power, this boosts our office, this boosts our studying thing. Really peasy. We have 4 cores, 4 threads, 14 nm lithography, 6 MB of cache. 16 inches with 16 to 10 golden ratio display, a large screen, while a field of view is possible with that, of course, with an ultra large memory storage and experience without the latency here, and a lot of keyboards, as you can see, because we can transform our keypads, area keys, easy peasy by going to use that kind of math. And you can transfer it from a QWERTY to a QWERTY keyboard and so on. This jumper's laptop comes with Wi-Fi 2.4G and 5G, with Bluetooth, with 2 stereo speakers, with 38 watt-hour battery, with a 1 Intel graphics gigahertz, and the Intel N150 4 core, 4 threads, 3.6 gigahertz broad frequency and a 6 MB cache, a front 1 megapixel webcam, and numeric keypad. All this is possible with this ultra nice looking device. We have here the jumper 16-inch laptop with 12 and 150 processor and 1200p IPS display. We have a lot of connection possibilities. This goes to headphone jack. We have 2 USB ports. We have a mini or micro HDMI port. We have a possibility to get micro SD cards by using a slot there. Easy peasy. And of course, that's a laptop for business. This is a laptop for students and for traveling. And it looks good, it makes a good job, and you have keyboard protection mats on deluxe. This is the Jump 16-inch laptop, 12 N150 processor. This is a Windows 11 computer with turbo boost. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Now you can see how fast it is rebooting that system. And of course you can see the multitasking functions as well. I'm going to have a game, I'm going to have a stream on the backside. No problem for this computer system. Now let's have an ear on the sound of that device too.